And you youths of Kenya, it's time for us to unite. Honorable Babu Owino, Honorable Sifuna, Honorable Peter Salasia, Honorable Caleb Amisi, Honorable Eric Omondi, all of you people who have intentions and aspirations for leadership, including Kasmuel Makori. Kama tunaweza patana for a dinner or for a lunch or for a breakfast one day, na tukubaliane tu in this meeting we are raising 10 million for a political party. Na tuseme everybody who is able toa milioni moja moja. Kama hauna ni sawa. God will bless you at your own time. Tutoe hapa milioni 10 saa hii, let's have a political party. A place where youths can come and not be asked for 3 million for a ticket, or leta milioni 3, leta milioni 2, and they don't have. So we perpetuate the same corrupt people holding leadership. Juu wao wameiba pesa ya mabarabara, wameiba pesa ya hospitali, wao ndo wanapewa ticket. And we run a campaign that is not based on tribe. We just build one tribe, one big tribe. And we run a campaign yenye, unaona campaign yenye Ruto haezi win even a single MP seat. Unanisikia wewe Bwana Timothy Kipchumba from Marakwet East. Is this Marakwet East or West? Honorable Timothy Kipchumba. Honorable Alfred Keter. Let us form a gang of change. Na tupige hii kitu one touch. Na mimi msinipe kitu. I don't want MP, I don't want Sen. I'm okay. If you fix this economy, nita compete na Elon Musk. If this economy just gets fixed and I can borrow 500 million or 200 million or 1 billion at an interest rate of less than 8%, hata sitaki kiti ya siasa. Because I have 101 ideas in my head of things I can do and they can employ more than 10,000 people. And I can't do even one of them because I'm limited by capital.